Welcome back to Made Up. It's your girl Diane, and in today's video, we are going to be unboxing my August Boxycharm. If that sounds interesting to you, let's get made up. So for those of you who don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service where you pay $25 for their base box, and it comes with 5 full-size either beauty products or skincare products, tools, things like that. And it would be valued at a minimum of $125. So if you're looking to try different items that maybe you wouldn't have otherwise tried, I think it's a great find and it's a lot of fun. So this month, mine came on time or unexpectedly kind of early. I guess so. I'm able to kind of shoot this video a little bit earlier than I normally would have. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So every single month there will be a little card kind of describing what comes in your box, giving a value and just kind of a brief overview. Of course, we have 5 different items in this month's box. My first item up is this Pineapple Haze CBD Glossy Lip Butter. Now this is from a brand called Truly. I am unfamiliar with this brand. However, it does look like they sell this brand at Ulta, so you can find it there. I was a little shocked by how it came because when I opened it up, it looked like this. It looked like more of a scrub. It got all weird. So then I looked up online to see what the product was supposed to look like, and this is what it looks like online. So what I think happened is I live in a very hot climate and it's probably hot in other places in the country as well. And this melted and it turned into a hot soupy mess. I don't know if it's still okay to use like this, if it's separated, if it's gone bad, or what's the deal. And then also, if you didn't notice this sticker, this label was put on incorrectly. So there's like this bubble. It kind of just, it looks a little special. Like it doesn't look the greatest. And of course, inside it doesn't look the greatest either. I have not touched this. This is what it looked like. So just offhand, it is very pineapple-y. It does smell like pineapple haze. I can concur. It's very strong in my opinion. I don't know if that will dissipate. You know what I will do? I can touch it and put it on my hand, but I just don't want to put it on my lips. I don't know if I'm being too squeamish, but I just don't want to. Okay, hey, look at that. It was very soft. It almost had a velvety mousse texture when I first put it on, and then it's kind of melting into the skin here. It's not like completely smooth, but it's a lot smoother than I thought. And here it looks like a lip scrub, doesn't it? Like I would have thought it was more like that. But it pleasantly melted down, so I still smell it on my skin. I don't know if that will go away with time. At this point, when it's rubbed in, I really have to try to smell it, meaning when I just like waft my hand in front of my nose, I don't smell it. So it might be a scent that goes away, so it might be okay over time. This retails for $16. It's got hemp, jojoba, and vitamin E to hydrate and condition your lips while protecting them against everyday environmental aggressors. I like that, so that sounds cool. I definitely am going to reach out and find out if this is still okay to use. All right, moving on. All right, so next up we have the Dr. Lily Fan Probiotic Lash Enhancer. Now, this was my choice item. So what that means is every single month, they send you an email before your box ships out and you get to choose between a few items. They'll give you 2 to 4 items on there, or you can have them choose for you and completely be surprised. This retails for $68. So that's part of the reason I chose this, because it's something that I would just never buy for myself. I did buy the e.l.f. Lash and Brow Serum. That one is the enhancer, and that one costs, I think, $8 or $9. I'll confirm. I've been trying that out for months. What I'm hoping is that I'll be able to compare it to this and maybe do that in a video. We'll see. It does say it has patented peptide technology, so if they got something in there that's new and innovative, that is definitely why it's at a very high price point. It says it's natural and safe to use. Yeah. This is supposed to deliver a wow effect, providing length and volume. You have to use it continuously. You have to apply it at night, and it will help grow your lashes longer and fuller in 4 to 12 weeks. The same with the other one, the e.l.f. product I used for 90 plus days. So I've been testing this out for a long time. I'm looking forward to see maybe what 4 weeks looks like because this says 4 to 12. Let's open her up and see what she looks like. Okay, so e.l.f. looks similar, but it's just like a smaller everything. Okay, let me just see if we notice any smell or anything. Okay. Oh, there's a scent. Hold on, let me see if I can identify it. Okay, so that's kind of, you can kind of see it gleaming there, but it smells like straight perfume. It smells like straight perfume. I just don't know that I would feel comfortable putting that on my eyes. I mean, obviously I'm going to have to because I want to try it and I want to compare it to like a drugstore version, but that smells like you're putting straight floral perfume on your eyes. I'm gonna read more about this. Again, I'm gonna check to see, hopefully this is safe. I hope everything that I'm getting this month is safe because that's kind of crazy, but it is $68. I look forward to giving this a try and sharing my results with you guys. All right, the next item up is from Frank Body. It's Booty Drops. Booty Drops. It's a firming body oil with caffeine. It's called a butt forklift. A butt forklift. It has grapeseed oil in there for a baby soft booty. Okay, so let's see. This one retails for $17.95. This says, drop it like you're hot. This is a firming body oil to help smooth you over. It's packed with caffeine, guarana to energize, carrot root extract to hydrate, grapeseed and jojoba oils to soften the skin and get you glowing. You're supposed to mix it with your moisturizer, and that's your body moisturizer. This is very clear for your body. Do not use this on your face. Squeeze 3 to 4 drops into your moisturizer or use directly on your skin, rub all over your body and use daily. So that's interesting. I have never used a product like this at all. I definitely am gonna give it a try. I will say that I am skeptical. Like, I got a lot of booty. How butt lift are you gonna give me in a $17.95 bottle? But we'll give it a shot. You just never know. I'll try anything once. Here we go. So let's see the consistency here. I'm assuming it's, I don't know, an oil? Okay, I'm just gonna do 2 drops and see what, okay, so yeah, really oily, like running off my skin. Ooh, what? It does smell like coffee. It smells like caffeine. Well, not smells like caffeine. It smells like coffee. That is interesting. It smells like I'm rubbing coffee beans all over my hand. What? That's so crazy. Now I like this smell. I like it. I want to smell like coffee. Yes, honey. I will say this too, just an observation. This is very tight to get out. It doesn't want it spilling out, I suppose, is what's going on. It's a tight fit. Like, I'm sure that will help me in the future. It's not gonna like spill out, but I've actually never had a dropper that was such a tight fit to come out the bottle. Just a side note. There's a 1 fluid ounce in here. It's hefty for an oil, but of course it would be because it's for the body. You're supposed to be using it all over. So I'd expect it to be a little bit bigger than stuff that I use on my face. It says for best results, use daily before twerking. That's hilarious. I love it. The next item that I have up is the madeupbeauty Hydration Happy Face Mist. This looks like it's from their skincare line. It's madeupbeauty skincare, it says on here. And the only other time I have tried this brand is through Boxycharm, and it was a makeup item. So this is the first time I'm getting a skincare item from them. And I think it was just like a matte lip color that I got from them, which was super nice. I think it was a little bit drying because it was a matte formula. This has got minerals in this, so 12 minerals to be exact, that come from the Dead Sea. They include calcium, zinc, copper, magnesium, potassium, which are known for their ability to help soothe, cleanse, revitalize, and strengthen skin. So yes, please. So here's the bottle here. I just took this off right now. Let me just spray this into the air and before I get crazy with it. Oh my word. Hold on. This also has a scent and I actually kind of like it. It's a nice light floral scent, I believe. Let me try on my hand again. but it's definitely lighter than anything we've smelled today. It's light and fresh, and this is supposed to go directly on your face. It doesn't say anything about makeup, so it's not like a makeup setting spray. It's just like a revitalizing mist, a hydrating face mist. I'm gonna give it a go on my face. As you can see, my face is mostly all the way done. It's everything, the base, everything except for my eyes, although my brows are done. That is gonna be for our next products. Here we go. Not the best spritzer in the world. There is a varying size of droplets and it goes on very harsh, but maybe I shouldn't. I mean, it was far from my face. It's at least 1.5 feet away from my face and it was very strong. So maybe next time I'll have to like put it into the air and like waft underneath it. Let me try that actually. Oh, that was better. Okay, so into the air, waft, it worked. And then at that point, I only got a fine droplet on my face. They were tiny, it felt more fine. So we'll see how this plays throughout the day. I like the scent, but there is a scent to this. It's a little bit floral, a little bit fresh. It works. We'll see what it actually even does to my makeup because I am a sunscreen makeup wearer, and we'll see if it breaks anything down or if it adds benefit. The last item up here is my only makeup item in case you hadn't noticed, but it's the Laura Geller, the Casual Collection Multi-Finish Eyeshadow Palette. So this is what the packaging looks like here. It's got all the shade names down here or on the outside packaging. Let me get her open. Now again, this was my only makeup item and it's because I have answered my beauty quiz for Boxycharm, gearing more of my preference items to skincare. So in case you're wondering, if you like makeup, just answer your beauty quiz with makeup options and they will send you makeup. Don't be alarmed that this is just like a random skincare box or anything. That's the way I like it, so that's what I get. Comes with the little plastic sheath, and here is the color story. Typically not shades that I would reach for all the time, but it's definitely nice. So we're gonna give this a whirl. Today I'm gonna get some eye primer on, and we are going to try to create a look with this. Okay, that actually looks really nice. You know, you get a nice plum look. In my opinion, there's not too many places you can go in this palette except for plum. Obviously, this is a shimmer here. This has like a green hue a little bit. It looks even greener on camera. You could take these two shades in different places as well, but they're still shimmer shades. So I don't know that I will reach for it all that often. It's just not my color story, but that's what the makeup looks like. I mean, it blended very nice. So I'm gonna finish off the rest of the face. I'll be right back. All right, so we're back, eyes are done, and then I put on just a light colored lip balm. This is the NARS one. I'll have to find the shade and everything and put it up on the screen for you, but that is the finished look today. I think the eyeshadow palette worked out well. I just don't know that it's a color story that I gravitate towards, so I don't know how many times I'll be pulling that back out. But if you like that color story, the shades worked perfect. Maybe some of them I needed just a little bit more blending on, but nothing too crazy. Other than that, I think the formula worked out fine. We got a decent look with it. So I hope you guys had fun on this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you can be notified of all my future uploads. All right, friends, until next time, bye.